Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about introduction to the SAP as well as overview of the SAP ERP system. So those who are completely new to the SAP system and don't have any information about SAP or any background related with the SAP, for those this video will be helpful in order to understand the basic or the introduction of the SAP system. So before moving to the introduction of the SAP system directly, we'll firstly see what is ERP system. SAP ERP system. So SAP ERP, where ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, which is self-explanatory, but still we'll discuss it. So enterprise is nothing but company or any business or any enterprise which is running with the help of the various resources like people, money, machine, material. Resources will be depends upon the type of industries. So industry or company may be of manufacturing sector, pharmaceutical sector, telecom sector, or construction sector. So to plan the resources in order to run the business or company is nothing but enterprise resource plan. Okay. So why we need enterprise resource planning? So in every company or every business, different departments are working, and as per their department, data is generating. Like for purchasing related data is generating. For sales related data will generate. Distribution. So that we need to integrate all this data from different department to the central database so that we can analyze the data, we can get access to the data very quickly and plan our resources based upon the data. So for this functionality, ERP system is helping to the various businesses. So enterprise resource planning is a software that helps you to run the entire business, supporting automation and processes in finance, human resource, manufacturing, supply chain, services, procurement, and many more. ERP is basically a software suite of various applications involving business process management. And SAP is a software development corporation that provides ERP software solution in the market. So in simple term, ERP is nothing but is used to manage the data and integrate the data between different departments. So what are the advantages of centralized database system? As you can see in the image that with the ERP system, different sectors are connected or department you can say these are connected like finance, purchase, manufacturing, MRP related things, which is nothing but production planning, inventory management, sales and so on. These all departments are integrated with each other with the help of ERP, which is not making centralized database system. So if someone wants from purchasing side wants sales data, he can get from the central database system. So that is the functionality of the ERP. We can see that advantages of centralized database systems are real-time data availability, then efficient communication, quick decision making, better supervision and control, easy planning, easy and planning and executions. All these things are the various advantages of centralized database system, which can be fulfilled with the help of ERP system. So up to this, we have almost understand that what is ERP, why it is used, how it is used, how advantages ERP system is providing. So for this ERP system, there are different softwares available in the market, which are called as ERP softwares like Oracle, then Microsoft, then Tally, Infor, and SAP also. Out of all these ERP softwares, SAP is widely used in the market. You can say SAP has over 4,37,000 customers in 190 countries and is the world largest maker of ERP software. So one can easily understand why SAP is widely used along along with all the other ERP softwares. SAP is the like we can say mostly preferred software from the ERP system by the manufacturing sector and any other sector. Okay. So now we'll see the ERP SAP introduction. So SAP stands for System Application and Product in Data Processing. SAP system was developed by German-based company which is SAP AG in 1972 And here you can say they have launched various version of SAP like R1, R2, R3, then ECC, then Business Suite 7, and latest one is S4 HANA. These are nothing but we can say various versions of SAP. As per time goes, they have launched their various version. The recent version is S4 HANA. Okay, and this simple SAP Access menu I have shown here just for your reference how SAP is looking. Okay, so SAP we can say is a system application and product for data processing. Same functionality whichever ERP system we discuss for ERP system, like for all the data, they are collecting the data, maintaining it centrally, making it easy accessibility to the user. These all things will be in the SAP applications. Okay. So what are the advantages of SAP? So SAP is suitable for any size of business. SAP can be integrated with the non-SAP softwares. Like if you have SAP applications and if you want to integrate your SAP applications with the other applications, that is also possible. Data security, reduce cost, continuous innovation is going on. As in the previous slide, we have seen that lots of versions they have published over the period of time. Disadvantages of SAP application is the cost, like for cost of implementation, or we can say higher salary of consultant. And during the implementation, complex things if come, that will take some time. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the SAP applications. So this is the favorite thing for all the users or the new joiners who want to make their career in the SAP, especially from the people who did their engineering in mechanical, civil, or any other stream from IT sector, excluding IT sector. So they have mostly they ask questions that how we can prefer career option in SAP ERP. Is it technical one? Is it functional one? Does SAP needs coding or all things? So basically, SAP is divided into two modules. Like one is functional module and another is technical module. We'll go firstly for the technical module. In technical module, you require coding, coding language, some technical related things, which is mostly related with the information technology or computer science related. So people from those stream can go to the technical modules like ABAP, security or GRC, these things or basis. So for these modules, people can go from the IT or CS sector. Then we'll come to the functional models. Functional models in mostly people from the background having manufacturing engineer or mechanical engineer, electrical, civil. These people can go to the functional models. So what are functional models? Functional models like like means material management, managing the material flow in the industry, and production planning, managing the production related planning, but with the help of the SAP applications, only data related things or configuration or business process. It's all things they will have to handle with no coding. No coding knowledge is required for function to understand the functional model. So functional model in this case we can see SD, MM, PP, PM, QM, PS, HR. These are all the functional model. So this way, like whoever is new to this SAP, he can easily choose his or her career based upon the functional model or the technical model. So these are the brief introduction to the SAP system as well as ERP SAP system. I hope it was understandable. If you have any questions, please put in the comments. I will try my best to answer.